AI is going to have a major impact on the workforce. AI is already being used to automate some jobs, and as AI continues to develop, it's possible that even more jobs could be automated. This could lead to job displacement as machines take over more and more tasks that are currently done by humans. But AI could also create new jobs. For example, AI could be used to develop new products and services or to improve the efficiency of businesses. This could lead to the creation of new jobs in areas such as engineering, programming, and data science. So what does this mean for the future of work? It's possible that we'll see a shift away from traditional jobs such as factory workers and office workers and towards jobs that require more creativity and problem-solving skills. We may also see a rise in self-employment and gig work as people become more comfortable working independently. It's also important to remember that AI is still in its early stages of development. It's possible that we'll discover new ways to use AI that we can't even imagine today. So the future of work is still uncertain, but one thing is for sure, AI is going to play a major role.